In our agriculture impact coverage, tariffs are continuing to be an issue for American soybean farmers. China is typically the largest buyer of U.S. soybeans, but this year the country has not bought any in retaliation for President Trump's tariffs. Illinois and Iowa are the top two soybean producing states. Now, President Trump says he is planning a significant aid package to help American soybean farmers. We expect to hear what that package is as soon as tomorrow. But in the meantime, here's what some farmers had to say about why it's not enough to be focused on this growing season to our sister station in Omaha.
Soybeans are coming out of the ground here in northwest Washington County.
Just getting a good start in the last week, and they came along pretty quick with the warmer temps.
Although the wet conditions Sunday meant most chose to shut down harvesting for the day early, including Greg Hogermeyer.
Today, if these got just too tough with these light showers. But that's what we harvest, that little soybean.
The hard part comes after harvesting.
If we're not able to move a certain amount offshore, there's more here than we're going to utilize internally. That will cause further price decline.
And the cost to plant next year's crop, that's up.
It's a bigger challenge for younger operators than older that maybe don't have a little bit of reserve to work off of.
President Donald Trump has suggested issuing payments to farmers. Reportedly, it could be more than $10 billion worth. Although Hogermeyer said most would take it amid a trade war.
We would much rather have a market and get our revenue there than we would from the government.
Southwest Iowa farmer Joshua Mansky says the same.
We're in this to produce a product that's needed in order to sustain the rest of the world here.
He traveled to D.C. a month ago with the Iowa Farmers Union in part to discuss the impacts of the government's trade policies.
A little bit of a self-inflicted wound here. For a lot of producers, it's trying to survive into the next growing season. That may not come because of bad markets.